2025 is a big year for Toyota because we're celebrating 25 years of the Highlander. To celebrate its legacy, let's look at this year's model.
Starting with the exterior, there are a few new features that keep the Highlander fresh. The front grille of the car has been updated to a bolder look, and there's a new alloy wheel option to add some style. The Highlander also comes in 9 colors, including a new color, heavy metal, to further match each driver's personality. Every 2025 Toyota Highlander is equipped with Toyota Safety Sense 2.5 Plus, which includes smarter hazard detection and lane centering technology to keep you safe and steady. Let's get into tech. Select Highlander models now include a camera-based digital rearview mirror to give a clearer, unobstructed view behind the vehicle. The infotainment center also got some nice upgrades this year, such as the touchscreen increasing to a standard 8-inch or to 12.3 inches in select models. You also get a wireless charging pad along with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, so anyone in the car can stay connected and control the vibe. The 2025 Toyota Highlander has a spacious interior with 3 rows of seating, including a fold-flat third row that's great for extra cargo. You can also get available leather and soft text trim seats for elevated comfort.
Ready to celebrate 25 years of the Highlander with a test drive? Visit us today at Toyota of Orlando.